Everybody ready? Are you ready? Where are we going? We're going to Toy! Tagaytay! Say Tagaytay! Okay, we will buy to.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Energy morning.
That handsome man.
Wow!
Morning.
Meet that handsome man daw, Daddy. Wow!
Yes, meet that handsome man. That's right. Thank you, Beba. I love you.
Love you.
I hope lahat kayo nakapag-coffee na.
Wow, taray. Ako hindi pa, Dad.
Kasi ako hindi pa rin.
Yeah.
And I don't drink coffee, I drink
To
tea.
check the secret balance.
Ayan, nag-check kami ng balance namin.
Yeah, and our brother,
Yes,
Pinocchio, was
Brother Pinocchio. Hindi naka-brother Pinocchio. Only have a sister.
Don't you think that Pinocchio was your brother?
Yeah, because Pinocchio is just a cartoon.
Not thinking of obsessed.
Yes, that's right.
The meaning of obsessed.
You tell me.
No, what's
Obsessed is like fixated.
example for obsessed?
You can focus on the person or the thing or whatever. Okay. So
Let's go!
Okay, let's go, Nenay.
Toy!
So,
Lily will buy?
so guys, right now papunta kami sa Tagaytay on
Yes, we're going to the
this Saturday morning.
Yeah, we're going to go to the amusement park in Tagaytay.
Wow!
We're going to the amusement park in Tagaytay. But first, we are going to do a stopover. Magpapagas tayo. And
Hindi pa ba kasya yan?
no, mommy. No.
Ah, it's too bumpy!
Bumpy. Because of the
Bumpy!
flood control project.
Bumpy.
Bumpy! Yay! Yes!
Kidding aside, ayun. Papagas muna kami sa Petron sa BGC. Kasi yun yung nearest na madadaan namin along C5. And then, we're going straight to Tagaytay. Yung way namin will take Calax kasi yun na yung easiest way. Tapos, ayun, nandun ka na kagad sa Santa Rosa pagka-exit. So,
Stay tuned!
No, I mean, yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, enjoy!
In every moment, my love will be attentive. We're still and forever, always, every moment. Even in the face of greatest charm.
Here, show mommy your scarf. Come on.
My motto won't
Oh, wow. Oh, oopsie, oopsie, doopsie. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Wow. I'll tell them about your scarf. Is it cold?
Bossing
And we have Lala. Hi, Lala. Good morning. Yes. How about Lele?
for the love we shared so intense.
And Ate Day, of course.
People,
Yan.
magandang umaga sa inyong lahat.
Wow, magpapahangin lang. Dad, bakit 35 ang pinapakarga?
Para hindi maubos yung gulong. Kaagad.
Bakit hindi 34?
Yun kasi yung optimum guide doon sa, yung sa kind ng tires ko.
Wow, iba-ibang kinds.
Yes, iba-iba siya.
So, ano-ano yung kind?
So, yung tires ko kasi, although sinasabi nila matagal siya mapudpod, yung BFGs. Pero kapag malambot, for sure, mapupudpod pa rin naman na mas mabilis yun. Kasi, lalo na all-terrain yun, hindi siya highway din. I think.
Thank you!
Thank you. Lalo na all-terrain, so mas mabilis yung tread niya mapudpod.
Compared to?
Mixed kasi yun sa hindi siya pang highway lang. Mix ng slight off-road yung tires.
Ang all-terrain is for mixed off-road and mixed
Mixed light off-road.
light off-road and highway.
Oo, highway.
Ano naman yung pang highway lang? Gusto ko
Highway terrain.
Highway terrain.
Oo, bilog lang siya.
And paano kung halimbawa off-roading lang?
pure off-road, tawag dito, mud terrain. Nag-try na ako nun before. Medyo maingay, tapos sobrang bilis talaga mapudpud ko.
Pero makapal.
Makapal, pero mabilis mapudpud.
Wow! Did you pay for the gas? Did you pay for it? How much did you pay?
Yeah.
How much did you pay?
Toys.
Toy. Oh, you paid for the toy. How many toys do you like, Lele?
100.
No, dito lang. May issues man. Big.
You're big already. You're making
Alex is a gigantic.
Welcome to Tagaytay! These are the fruit stalls. Yes! Ito yung very famous dyan. Bumibili si Casey Concepcion Day. Sila Sharon Cuneta. Dyan, dito sa gilid. Yan, dyan yan.
Look, oh!
Wow, very cloudy.
Sea of clouds.
Si Ate Day ang prepared sa gantong weather. Bakit Day ngayon nagja-jacket ka?
Sabi nung una, sabi natin hindi daw malamig.
Oh, tapos?
Ngayon nag-ready na ako.
Ngayon nag-ready ka na.
Pagdo na pagbaba mo ng kotse, malamig.
Kasi mama, nung one time, first time mo pumunta ng Tagaytay, yun ang naday.
Sabi ko mag-jacket.
Mag-jacket. Sabi ko, wag na, hindi naman malamig doon ngayon. Wag ka na mag-jacket. Di naniwala sa akin si Day mama na na hindi malamig. Hindi siya nag-jacket. Pagdating dito, ang lamig-lamig. Nangangatog na siya.
Sobrang lamig.
Kaya magsimula nun, hindi na siya naniniwala, mama, na hindi malamig. Pero di ba, Day, may mga panahon
May
din na
times.
hindi talaga malamig. Yeah, oo.
Ngayon, rainy season.
Oo, ngayon malamig kasi Pero pag summer, pag mainit ang panahon, asahan mo mainit. Hindi naman malamig. Kaya nang naka-t-shirt lang. Gising na yung baby. Good morning, yay.
So, diretso na tayo dun sa...
Marben. Doon tayo sa Marben.
Marben, di ba tayo kumain na RJ?
Yes, mother.
Bulalo.
Diba, mama? Masarap po.
Grabe, ang hirit niya, dabulalo. Sa atin, isip lang natin.
Tapsilog. Lunch.
Ang iniisip ko, clubhouse sandwich lang.
Ako magta-tapsilog talaga ako.
Sige, paano kaya? Bigay ko na lang sa iyo yung rice. Gusto ko rin naman ng tapa.
Hindi ako papayag na hindi ako makatapsilog sa Marben.
Masarap.
Masarap pa talaga. Meron ba bang silog?
Meron po, mama.
Ganda rin yung
Yes.
idea.
May bang silog. Mga silog-silog po, mama.
You see that?
Wow! Look at See, it's foggy. Ang sarap naman ng Tagaytay. Para kang nasa Baguio. Zero visibility daw, sabi nga nila. Dahil sabihin mo nga, zero visibility.
Zero visibility.
Ayan, ganyan daw.
May I have a peep?
What?
Ganda pa, go.
Okay, go baby, go. Go, have a look. Wow! Wow, just hold on tight, okay? What do you see? Oh, how about Lele? You want also? Huh? You want to have a look?
Just be careful, because could be dusty. Could be dirty.
Yeah.
Okay, pagod na baby ka.
Happy?
Kasi na.
Enough na, no more na. Very foggy Saturday morning. It's only 8:24 in the morning. Hindi, 8:24 na, but parang alas 6 pa lang ng umaga, no?
There's no sun.
Yes.
There's no Mr. Sun today.
And it's foggy. Ganito sa probinsya. Ganito dapat ang
Some
Tagaytay.
sort of cartoon.
Oh.
It says that foggy days are dangerous.
Why? Why do you say
Dangerous
it's
to drive.
dangerous? Why?
In foggy days, you can't see.
Yeah, so you have to drive not fast, just about right, okay? So you have to be careful when driving during a
Yeah.
foggy day. Yes. Very good. You remind Daddy so that Daddy knows how to drive properly. Dad, look, it's foggy.
Naalala mo nung ano?
Yeah, just like my most pretty dream.
Wow, really, baby?
Yeah.
Mama, merong time na nag-bike kami sa Bicol. Ganito. Oo. As in, medyo scary nga din yung ginawa natin ngayon, ano, ma'am? So,
Foggy day.
Yeah, I like foggy days.
Yes.
You see the clouds
Ano, Day? Zero?
touching the
Zero
ground?
visibility.
Tama na. Okay na. Bilis-bilisan mo pa, Day. Dali, Day. Ano?
Yeah.
Day, ano? Zero what?
Zero visibility.
Oh, very good. Okay, consistent. Ito naman yung famous din na Leslie's. Noong mga 2010, mga yan. Yan yung mga uso noon. Tapos, ito yung unang... Ito ba? This is the first Starbucks ba, Dad?
I forgot eh. O,
Ay, hindi. Parang yan yung...
Hindi, pero dati kasi luman-luma na.
Yeah,
Tapos
inayos. Nag-renovate sila, ano. Pero yan, very foggy. Etong Army Navy, ang tagal na din yan. Tapos Daddy, naalala mo, La Terraza ba tayo kumain noon? Grabe, very foggy.
Then why
Di ba may daan dito?
Yes, meron dyan
Why is it very foggy?
Because we're up in the mountains.
Yes. Up in the mountain.
So, if we're up the mountains, we're near the clouds.
Wow.
So, technically,
So
those are
good thing, baby, you are wearing what? What are you wearing?
Skull.
And what else?
Jacket.
Jacket. Because it might be cold outside, okay?
Don't wear sunlight clothes like t-shirt,
Yes.
shorts.
Look at Mommy's outfit. It has holes. Oh my gosh. Can you let me borrow your jacket later?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Wow, look guys. Grabe.
Kondo yan eh, di ba?
Yeah, dapat makikita mo yan. Hanggang doon sa taas.
Yan
Kaso
eh.
ngayon,
Oh.
hindi mo na
I
makita.
like foggy days.
Pero sa camera, parang hindi siya, hindi siya nag-register na very foggy.
Yeah,
Pero,
I really like foggy days.
Pero here right now guys, talagang foggy. Medyo zero visibility. Eto, hindi yan dating Rosario.
Hindi.
Ano nga dati yan, Dad?
Hindi kumakain tayo dyan.
Yes,
before,
we ate there with Papa.
Dalay ba ko?
Balay.
No, Mama, iba pa po.
Iba pa. Ay, di, Rosario sa ata talaga. Tapos saka balay na po. Parehas na.
Parang Jennifer's. Di ba Jennifer? Basta parang ganun. Foggy day. Oh my gosh. You have to be careful. And this is Escala. Maganda din dyan. It's so pretty.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, this is Sky Ranch. Hindi mo na makita.
Oh, Sky Ranch na tayo. Oo.
Opo, this is Sky Ranch. We will go there later once we're done eating breakfast.
Sino, ano na ba?
Grabe, it's so foggy.
Grabe.
Oh, there is a Chubibo there. What nga is a Chubibo? Is it Ferris wheel? Ayun. Grabe, hindi mo makita. And then right after Sky Ranch, dyan naman si Taal Vista. Very foggy day. Sige, magbilang kayo kung ilang beses namin sinabi yung word na foggy.
Foggy ka.
Doon, nakita mo ba, Day? Ay, may bago doon.
Ayun yung casino. Baka
Ito.
nandyan yung mga contractors.
Oo, nandyan ang mga contractors.
BGC
Yeah,
boys.
lost in the fog.
Lost in the Taal Vista. Yan. One of the oldest. Oh, nagpunta tayo dyan. Anong masasabi mo, Day, sa Taal Vista na nakapunta ka na?
Okay, maganda.
Maganda yung Taal Vista.
Luma na.
Luma na yung mga rooms, di ba, Day?
Pero
Mas
yung
maganda
view,
yung view
view,
maganda.
maganda na.
Correct.
makikita mo pa rin.
Yeah, it's even more
Ano yung
foggy.
dahil
Oh.
Yes. And
Yan yung
then,
sinasabi mo, dahil yung kainan dyan.
ito ba yun?
Sa
No?
may kainan dyan eh, tent. Basta
And this is our favorite hotel here in Tagaytay. What is our favorite hotel, ate? That one, remember?
This one, the heated pool, the one with
The heated pool?
And then indoor playground.
Yan.
Hotel, yan.
This is our favorite hotel here kasi nga meron siyang heated pool. So kahit malamig sa Tagaytay, you get to enjoy the pool because it's heated. And then just ilang meters of drive.
Sarado na yung kinainan natin.
Yung peri-peri. Wala nang peri-peri. Eto, this is our favorite Tapsilugan.
What's the name, Marble?
Marben. Is it open or is it closed?
Close pa eh.
Baka on the other side.
Let's try it.
Sige, let's try. This is our favorite na Tapsilugan sa Tagaytay. Ang sarap talaga ng ano. Yes.
It's capital letters.
Look, there's a cow.
Open!
Open na.
Parang na ayun, open ang nakita ko dun. Although etong kabila, closed naman ang nakalagay.
But how can I go? Mommy, it's so boring without fog.
Wow!
But when it's with fog, it's more fun.
Wow, why is it more fun with fog?
Because it's more fun.
Where is that? What is that,
Because
Lily?
it feels when it's fog, it feels like I'm in the snow.
Wow, yes. Did you know that and when we visit United States,
Of America.
there will be snow. Close pa, Dad?
Close.
Hapon pa daw to. Pero bukas daw yung main.
Doon tayo sa main. We want Tapsilog! We want Tapsilog! Later! You tell Daddy, later pa silang hapon tayo magbubukas.
Doon sa
Ito.
main, ano?
Doon tayo sa old nila na ano.
There's a cow.
Where?
There.
Oh yeah, it's a cow.
Lily, where is the cow, Lily?
Daddy.
What does the cow say?
Daddy, it's balling without foggy days. When it's with foggy days, it's more fun.
It's more
For
fun.
fun? When
It's really cold
fun.
outside, Baba.
Yeah. Yeah, I feel like
Come here.
I'm in the snow. See,
Bye, cow! Bye, cow! Say bye-bye to the cow! Bye, cow! What does the cow say? Moo! Fortunately, yung bago nilang restaurant will open pa daw in the afternoon.
Ang gulo naman yun.
So, we have to go to the old Marben na place.
and
Because that one is open.
it's just the
This one. Dito tayo pupunta. This is the... Anak pala Marben, it's Merben.
Perfect.
Merben.
Also big.
still fun.
This is the old one. Ayan. Later. Pag maraming parking, syempre mas mahirap mag-decide.
Mommy,
So this is where we are going. Merben, Tapsilogan sa
the one
Tagaytay.
that drinks it.
So we'll go there. We'll have breakfast and then later we'll go to the amusement.
Mukhang palabas na sila.
Why? Why do you want it foggy, baby?
Because I want Sky to be foggy all the time. It's so fun.
Why is it? Why is it fun?
Because it feels like that I'm in the snow.
Wow! Do you want to
Lola Tita, Lola Tito. I want to go to a place that is so foggy and snowy.
Yes. Wow. And are you excited?
Woohoo!
Para dito mura, tsaka masarap. Masarap yung Tapsilog dito. Masarap yung bulalo. So, kesa dun sa usual bulalo places. Pero ano kasi, value for money, mura talaga, tapos masarap. Dito, may mga cottages, ganyan. Tapos, meron din silang rooftop. Doon tayo sa rooftop. Say hi! Lele! Lele, say hi! Hi! Love you! Ayun, dito tayo sa second floor, sa rooftop nila. Ayun, so I'll show you the view. I'll show you the view, how it looks like. Ayun, walang makita. Walang makita kasi very foggy. Ayan. So, kami lang nandito.
Let's order
Ayun,
food
just
and
another.
breakfast
Oh, yan.
before heading to Skyland.
Yes. Oo.
Look like it's the amusement park. Here's what it is.
Hello, Lele. Say hi, Lele. Baba.
So, ito yung menu. And normally, ito yung mga ino-order namin. Tapsilog. Tapos
Very
magbubulalo
reasonable
kami.
prices, oh.
Yeah, 180 pesos. We'll get, most of the time, we'll get bulalo. Tapos, ang masarap pa din dito is the belly.
Oh, at saka ensalada. Masarap yung ensalada.
Yes. But for now, since it's breakfast time, we'll just order the
Light.
the
Dai, say hi.
Hi! Partida ang damit ko, butas-butas.
Tapos
Naka-shorts ako. Kaya naman. Done eating.
Yeah,
Breakfast.
Go to Foggy. I can't.
Na.
No,
Why? What happened?
Dad.
Why?
Dad.
The door? Okay, don't worry.
Then let's go to Foggy Academy.
Now we
Sige
will
na.
go to Foggy Academy. Yay! Yay!
So, by the way, yung bill namin is 1,100.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, 1,132.
And that includes already service charge.
Yeah. Busog, sobrang busog, to be honest. Ayun, lumaki nga yun.
And value for money.
Yeah, value for money.
Where are we going?
Foggy Academy.
We're going to Foggy Academy.
Where is that?
Where?
I cannot see the sign.
Magic one.
Magic one?
What that?
What?
What that? There.
Wow!
Open.
Open yung window.
Another.
Oh yeah, the window is open.
Open.
Open yung window. Oh my! Foggy! Wow! Ano yung scarf mo daw? Oh.
I cannot see one.
Oh, dito. Oo, dahil. Imagine, dalawa na sila. Kaliwat kanan yung baka bingin na ako pagkatapos. Entrance! Dito, Dad.
What is that? This one? What is that?
We're going now to Sky Ranch! Yay!
Oh, ayun na yung
This one! Yes! This is the one that I was talking about! Pay upon entry. Do you have? Where are we? In the Foggy? We're at Sky Ranch! At the Foggy Academy! You like that? Don't be scared!
Come on, go, go, go.
Oh, let's go!
Daddy, why is Alex always hiding from mascots?
Why?
Because I'm scared of them.
It's not even scary. It's just pretend, right?
They're just pretending to be monsters.
Yes. Enjoy, girls! Go, Lele! Go, Alex! Don't stand up, okay? No standing, okay? Baba, no standing, okay? Do not stand up, okay? Yay! have to lean back. Just lean back,
Yeah,
face
just
front.
back so you won't get hit.
Hey, Lele!
Lily, are you happy?
Daddy's here! You're
Lily,
driving!
an airplane!
You're driving! Lele, say hi! Alex, say hi! Love you, baby.
Love you.
Good job, ate. I'm proud of you. Good job. Go, Lele! Oh, careful, careful, careful.
Yeah! Dito ako sa gitna, ate. Yeah!
My face.
Is it your first time? Woo! Say bye-bye to Dad!
Goodbye, Daddy.
Woo! Bye, Dad!
Goodbye, Daddy. Bye.
Say bye-bye to Lala. There's Lala. Bye, Lala!
Goodbye, Lala. Love you.
Wow, we're so high!
Daddy.
There's Daddy! There's Daddy! There's Daddy!
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad! Oh, look at... Hello!
I checked it.
You're not scared?
Yeah.
Very good.
Daddy. Daddy, I'm here.
There's Ate Dai.
Hi, Daddy. Daddy.
Come on, come on.
We will use the guy up into the air.
Who is ready? Who wants to go to the inflatable playground? Who wants to go to the inflatable playground? I do not hear Lele. Okay, let's go now. Come on.
Like this, please.
Opo, for 3. Dito ikaw kay mami.
Please.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Do you like to try the walking animals?
Oh, yeah, I haven't tried that.
Tatlo din ng walking animals, ate. Bale, tatlong mini Viking and then tatlong walking animal. Say thank you.
Thank you. What did you say again? Tatlo mini Viking?
Tatlo means 3.
3 mini Viking? 1, 2, 3.
There, okay. Hi, Daddy!
Hi!
Mini Viking, go to the mini Viking. Go, go, go! Race! Woohoo! Hi, Dad.
Hi, Baba. Are you recording?
Are you recording?
Yeah. Is it my turn now?
Yes, your turn.
Are parents allowed?
I think so. I'll go with you.
So I won't get scared?
Yes. Okay, up na, Lily.
Bye-bye! High five. Good job! Thank you po. There's Labubu. Wala si Labubu. Alex, there's Labubu. Hello. Alex, look! It's Super Mario. Look, it's Super Mario over there. Oh. Your phone. Okay, my phone. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Yan, yung nasa likod nun, yung mas malaki, yan yon. Hindi, mountain lang yan, Day. What are we going to do next? We're going to the... Well, you tell them. You tell here in the camera. Where are we going?
The walking animal.
Look here.
We're going to walking animal show.
Okay, let's go. Look here. Okay, go.
Welcome to the walking animal show.
What are you going to do?
We're going to ride the animal.
Go. Give it to Kuya. No, I'm here. Kuya is here. Okay. Are you guys ready?
Our next dinosaur.
No, hi. Go, Lele. Go. Woo, beep, beep, beep. Huh? Huh? The robot talk to you? Oh, man. Beep, beep. I heard. Heard the robot talking to you.
Wilder's my friend.
You tell Lala. You introduce kasi Wilder to Lala. Lala doesn't know who Wilder is.
Who has blue eyes. Blonde hair.
I saw one when you were at Kitsuna together with a boy.
Is that Wilder?
No, that's Zach. Z-A-C-H. Zach. Oh, mommy.
Bye, Daisy. Bye, Mario. Bye, Coco Melon. Say bye-bye. Bye, Labubu. Ate, you had fun today? Yeah, you wanna go back next time? Okay, we'll go back, okay? So there, we're here now at Tagaytay, Starbucks. It's not a priceless work of art. Guys, sorry naman, nakalimutan na namin kayo. Nandiyan pala kayo. Okay.
So we are back.
Back. Whoa. Is this Belle?
Okay.
Yeah, so it's been
Ano nang nangyari, Dad?
Andito pa rin kami sa paanan na Tagaytay. So we've been out for 13 hours.
You backtrack.
So we
Where we left them. Galing tayo
went to
na-
Starbucks after eating breakfast.
Hindi, no, we went to
Sky Ranch. Nagpunta tayo Sky Ranch. Tapos nag-Starbucks kami
sa Hiraya.
sa Hiraya. Tapos
How was it?
good. I had a free nagkamali kasi sila ng order. So I had a free matcha oat. Kasi yung
And then we left
Oh.
siguro around 2 p.m.
2 p.m. Tapos we went to Hacienda. Bili-bili ng shopping content. Tapos took us about 4 hours there, no? 6 o'clock na tayo balis na.
Alas, really? Or mga past 5 lang?
Mga ganun, past 5.
Past 5, we were there mga
Ayun.
10 past 5.
Naligaw kami dito paikot-ikot. Thank you po. Paikot-ikot. So, we're here at Shakey's, Binyan.
Having dinner.
Having dinner, very, gutom na. Kain tayo, guys.
Kain! Kain tayo! Eating time later. Bye-bye!